Hey, what you doing, Dilana? What color are those? Those are gummies. You're playing gummies. Are you cooking? Yeah, you're right, Emily. Where you guys going? No, you don't. It's rainy, anak. Are you gonna play outside only? No, it's kind of cold. We have to put this away then. Just play first. Then we're gonna go when Ate Dong's home. He's not doing it. Daddy said play a little bit. Oh, Julin, where you going? I thought you're playing with adding anak. Oh, that's Paul. Yep. What? Oh, okay, that's all right. Let the phone ring a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Well, somebody has to make money a little bit. And it's election time. Did you vote already, Annie? Yeah, I like it. Out of the blue, Daddy noticed you, Jade. What happened? What did you do? Okay. What? I don't understand because you don't understand me. Oh, are you a vampire? No, look at her. She's doing a vampire. Come here, vampire. Baby vampire. Hey, be nice. Are you trying to be a vampire? Yeah. No black top, I wonder. No, be careful. Don't do that. You're in the high, guys. Okay. Do you want daddy boom boom and then you dance? Okay, there's the boom boom. Oh, you're tall? Oh my god, Gilana, you're tall. Daddy do boom 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 and she dance. Okay. Okay, daddy boom boom. Okay, Gilana, daddy's gonna boom 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 now. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. Go dance.